Hola, today's video is about one of the most traditional tapas in Seville, the snails that we call it here caracoles. Eating caracoles is a beautiful gastronomy tradition related to the people's lifestyle in my city. Especially those hot days when you can enjoy this wonderful moment with a really cold beer in any beautiful places of Seville. Have you ever tried caracole? For many of you, eating this exotic food can be like an adventure, because for so many people the snail doesn't look so good. But the one who tried them in Seville for the first time become fascinated by the taste and spicy aroma of it. When you order caracoles in any bar or restaurant, you should ask for a glass of soup from the cooked snails, because it's a perfect way to enjoy the caracoles in Seville. The season for caracoles is during the month of May to June, that you can enjoy in most of the restaurants and bars of Seville. Many of these are specialized in the preparation of the caracoles, and they wait the whole year for this special moment. If you want to try this special dish when you visit Seville, you should have a look for the boards that are normally placed in the entrance of the bars that they have written hay caracoles or cabrillas, another special tapa that I would recommend you to try. Cabrillas are the big brother of caracoles. Can be cooked with the different recipes, but normally using tomato, bread, red pepper, onion and olive oil. In the description of the video, I have wrote some of the best places where you can try the most delicious caracoles of my city. If you want to know more about the tapas in Seville, subscribe to our channel and check the playlist about what to eat in Seville. Thank you and see you in our next video.